This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing question types and gathering assets so you can build quickly. Once done, open PowerPoint and enable the Developer tab to access form controls. You should set a consistent slide size and import templates or images now, because layout changes later are time-consuming. Make sure to save a working copy and create an answer key document. This keeps scoring logic clear. Now you're ready to insert your first question slide with the right controls and structure. You'll now construct each question and the interactive behavior that makes it a quiz. Start by adding radio buttons or checkboxes and place text fields for short answers, then wire them with triggers or hyperlinks to show correct/incorrect feedback. Once set, use animations or motion paths to reveal explanations. Make a master slide so all questions share layout, which saves time and prevents formatting drift. Test each interaction as you go. Intermittent checks cut debugging later and ensure logic flows. You finish by implementing scoring and polishing delivery, because a clean quiz improves learning. First, create score tracking either with hidden tally slides, variables, or by preparing export options for an LMS. Then run a complete playthrough to catch timing, typos, and branching errors. Whenever something breaks, check triggers and slide transitions first. Once fixed, optimize accessibility and compress media. Finally, save a distributable file, PPTX, PDF, or SCORM package, and one troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.